Good day everyone, mabuhay. I'm Romeo Roberti Jr. Today, let's tackle about three types of travelers. First is allocentric travelers. Allocentric travelers like adventure and trying new things. They enjoy going to a new, usual place that are far from the home at not. For example, an allocentric travelers might go backpacking to remote part of Asia or explore a leisure known as South America. They often travel independently and avoid crowded. Next kind of tourist is psychocentric tourists. Psychocentric tourists are the opposite of allocentric travelers. They prefer safe, comfortable, and familiar environment. These tourists usually go to popular destinations where they are known what to expect. They are made choose all exclusive resorts, guide tours, or return to the same place each year. Psychocentric travelers enjoy routine and may avoid trying unfamiliar foods. The last kind of tourist is mid-centric tourists. Mid-centric tourists fall in between allocentric and psychocentric types. They like a mix of adventure and comfort. These travelers are open to trying new places but not too far out to their comfort zone. For example, they visit a foreign country but stay in a well-known hotel. I belong to psychocentric type of tourist because I prefer places that are familiar, safe, and comfortable. For example, when I go out, I often choose to Jollibee its place and I am familiar with. I know the taste, the service, and I feel comfortable there. I don't need to worry about trying food or being unfamiliar settings. Jollibee is well-known, trusted brand which give a sense of comfortable and security. I just like the kind of destination I would choose when I travel.